Hi guys, good evening. Happy Salah to my Muslim brothers and sisters. So guys, I just closed from the shop and I'm heading home. Yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated. The baby say hi.
Hi.
So I'm here with the baby. Baby say hello.
Hi guys.
Yeah. So we're heading home. Yeah, once again, happy Salah to my Muslim brothers and sisters. Let's go home. You guys, I want to add that you should ignore my hair. Yesterday, as you can see, I'm packing it upward like this. Yesterday, I went to the salon to wash my hair. I'll be putting the clip up here when I'm editing. And yeah, I'll be making my hair in a couple of days. I'll be making my hair. And yeah, when the time comes, I'll let you guys along. I was like this year, I haven't made a proper hair. I haven't made any hair because last year I was always braiding my hair. So this year I decided to let my hair rest. If you notice, I'll be making more of cornrows and I'll always wear cap, wig and the rest of them. Also put attached to my hair once, just that once, and yeah, be making fine hair because Sunday coming will be Modern Sunday in my own parish here in Kaduna. Yeah. Another reason why I pack my hair like this is because of the heat in Kaduna. The heat now, in fact, we no longer sleep in peace at night. The heat is on another level. But I'm so loving the hair because it's been long I pack my hair this way. I used to, whenever I plait, when I go to the salon, I will lose the hair. They will help me to lose the hair, wash it and braid it all back again. But this time around, I'm going to make my hair and I'm so excited about that. So let's see how it goes. Hi guys, good morning. Happy new month guys. Today is first day of April. Happy new month once again. Yeah, I am up, I'm grateful, I am so happy. In fact, I thank God for making I and my family to see the light of this day. Oh God, the excitement in my mind is making me short of words. Honestly, like I'm short of words. I'm short of what I want to say because I'm so excited. Yesterday I was rushing home to come and make soup yesterday evening. And before I got home, my daughter had already brought out soup from the freezer because I have soup in the freezer, but my odogu said he wants to eat white soup, nsala, and I was rushing home to come and do that. But before I got home, my daughter had already brought out soup, so we made use of the soup yesterday. Right now, I want to go into the kitchen. I made white soup before I head to my shop, and I would like to carry you guys along. Yeah, so let's go to the kitchen. Let's go make white soup. I also got the ingredients yesterday while I was coming back. I got what did I get? I got the uziza and the tazi leaf, the uziza leaf as well, and the okporoko because I have dry fish at home. And I also, yeah, let's just go to the kitchen and see what's up. So guys, I want to start cooking the meat while I prep up other ingredients. As you can see, we have towel here. That is abondi, liver, what is this? This part of the meat. Yeah, and I want to start boiling it now. I want to go in with some salt. I'll be using tuna to boil the meat. So I want to go in with the yam. This is what I will be using for the tick now. So it goes into the meat. Now you guys, I have to change my clothes because the heat is too much. So I need to be comfortable because I'm in the kitchen. The kitchen is already hot, so I need to be comfortable. That is why you see me like I changed my clothes. Okay, so we are going to go in with more water. Ingredients. I'm going to add this stockfish, which I got for 2,000 naira. I got it for 2,000. It is called nsala. Yeah, this is the ear part. Let's throw it in.
I not want to just stop.
Okay. You guys, this is the other ingredient that I told you guys I was prepping. Yeah, so this is fresh fish from our fish pond. Yeah, it's dry fish that I roasted. If you have been watching my vlog, you will see, maybe you might have watched the day I talked about this fish that we dried up from our farm. So I'm using these 2 pieces. I got this is otazi leaf. It's a bitter leaf. Actually, I got it for 200 naira, and I'll be using part of it, not all, and dry the remaining one of it. And here is uziza leaf, which I also got for 200 naira. I'll be using all of these. Here is uziza seed. This is the leaf, and here is the seed. So this is also 200 naira, as tiny as it is. I'll be using all of these also. And then I'll be using, this is Mr. Chelf, and here is no, this is uda. Yeah, this is uda, and I'll be using like small quantity of this. Yeah, like this quantity will be enough for my soup. And then this is everything that will be going into this pot. So you guys, our yam is ready. I'm going to bring out the yam and pound it, then return it back into the soup. So guys, this is me removing all the yam. Okay guys, this is all our yam, and I'm going to pound it now and put it back into the pot. But before that, let me go in with other ingredients before I start pounding it. So you guys, I'm going to be going in with the fresh fish to make it done properly. Okay. Uziza seed and uda. I'm going in with more salt. I'm going in with the seasoning. You guys know I've added some earlier. And here is the remaining one. Remaining ones. Okay, let's cover it and cook. So you guys, here is my pounded yam. I'm going to be scooping it bit by bit into the soup. Guys, this is what it looks like. In a short period of time, I'm going to remove this fresh fish and I'll add it up later while the soup is when the soup is properly cooked. So right now I'm going to be adding this my dry fish inside. I'm taking out the fresh fish. I'm going to add in small water because it's looking too thick and the thickeners are not properly dissolved. So that's why I'm going in with more water. You guys, time to go in with this is crayfish and pepper mix, which I almost forgot. So I'm going in with this is uziza leaf and here is what I leaf. So I think this quantity is enough. I'm so scared of this thing because the leaf is bitter. Why this is uziza? Guys, look at my soup. So this here is our soup, my open nsala. So you guys, my soup is ready. I'll be adding this fish later. I'll be adding it later when I'll be sharing the soup to put into my freezer. This is me officially ending this video and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Our nsala is ready, so bring any swallow of your choice. Okay.